Hey guys, welcome to my first YouTube video. It's 4:30 a.m. in the morning right now, and it was drizzling a bit and we had to pack our bags in the rain itself. Right now we are heading to a meeting point which is near Makery Circle, where a couple of our other friends would join. I mean, 4 of our other friends would join, and from there we'll take the Tumkur highway via Shivamogga. Then we'll head towards Joke Falls first. After Joke Falls we will make our way towards Gokarna. So that's the basic plan right now. Left, Sandy. So just got a call from one of my friend. So apparently 2 of them have already reached Hebal. So we are on our way. Hopefully we'll join them in 10 more minutes. This would be my first video that goes on YouTube. So I'm not sure how good it will come out, but I'll make sure to make it as entertaining as possible, and so that you guys enjoy. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe to the channel and hit on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a video hereafter. So there was a lot of preparations that went on for this particular ride. I was missing out on many gears that I didn't have before, and which I had to purchase. For example, knee guard or waterproof pant, and couple of other accessories. So right now I feel a bit complete, and makes me feel a bit of a rider. So I'll not be sticking on to only motor vlogging alone. I would be doing many other vlogs and stuff, and I usually go out on some adventure trekking and stuff, so I would make a vlog video out of it as well. So I've almost reached Makery Circle. I'll be there in another 2-3 minutes. So let's see who all are there, or if any, or we are the last one to reach the place. So these guys must be somewhere waiting over here. Yup, I see them. I guess we are the last ones to arrive. Hopefully this doesn't become a trend where me and Sandy end up reaching the last all the time. Hi guys, hi guys. Yeah, we'll leave.
So Tumkur will take a break.
Okay.
Where we need to break. Next break.
Hi Dilip. Okay guys, let's ride safe and enjoy the ride, okay? Woo! So we are heading off, started our journey. Really excited about it. So just wanted to share this with you guys. Biking and traveling, it's a very nice way to communicate with people, meet new people, and you get a lot of opportunities to know other people, like-minded people. And yes, even on this ride there are few people who I recently met, who is my friend's friend and who has become my friend right now. So it's a very nice way to like get in touch, get to know other people apart from your friend circle which already exists. So right now we have stopped here for a quick fuel. How far is it? So we have 6 hours 41 minutes to reach Joke Falls. We are on the Tumkur highway right now. So we are cruising at a speed of 100. So the sun is about to rise right now. We have almost covered around 100 kilometers. bike has a bit of problem.
No, don't do it.
What is it called? Is it a battery?
Battery
So the plating that goes on the battery fell down. In our group who has to go to toilet every hour. See? Each and every hour he has to go to toilet. You have any problem?
Let me tell you, it's all a basic necessity. So we have to, at each interval, have to take a break.
And pee all the time.
Yeah, pee all
How
the
come
time.
others are not getting toilet?
See, the climate is very chill and occasionally it keeps coming. So it's not my fault, Ra.
We are stopping here for a quick breakfast. Everybody is feeling hungry and sleepy as well. Most of us didn't get much sleep. Particularly me, I slept around 2 and I had to wake up at 3, so I have only 1 hour of sleep. Need a quick refresher, breakfast and a cup of tea to keep me going. So I think we have covered around 200 kilometers right now. We have a long way to go still.
Shine bright up all night, we're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes, we're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose.
Alright, so we finished our breakfast. A good decent breakfast it was. Starting our journey. So I guess Shivamogga is 180 kilometers more from here, and then we would be heading to Jog Falls. So stopping for a quick fuel. ಏನ್ ಬರೀ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಾ? ATM money. Thanks Vicky. Thanks Vicky, I told. Sandy checks out girls as well. So we have stopped here, a quick break, and the road is just amazing here. Both the sides you see trees. So we thought we'll just stop here and click few pictures. He's our official photographer. Hey, official photographer, say hi.
Dilip. Ahmed.
He's our official phone photographer. Hey, this is nice. So we have done around 230 kilometers in total.
What is he doing?
Giving us something. I think it's probably his marriage invitation.
Not like that. So every year I give a gift to everyone.
Oh,
This
I know you for more than 10 years. Not in once you have given me a gift, bro.
This is just occasionally, so only for rights. Whoever comes on speak.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Idella cut pandrapo.
Damn it.
Let me choose.
Hey, no, I'm giving choices.
So I don't know what he was blabbering, but something. Okay. I think those are badges that he is giving out. finally we finished our photo session after 365 days. Time to head, so we are buckling up to continue the ride. So Vicky is giving me a rider's badge. Full tears.
It's okay.
I mean,
it's okay. So where shall I put it?
That's alright.
Okay. Life is an adventure. And
So it says life is an adventure. Truly, life is an adventure. Do the things that make you happy. Be wild, be young, and look up to yourself. Believe yourself, and just be happy. That's it. Oh shit! Something has happened here. Shit! So there's an accident right here. I think it's a collision between two cars. For 1 second I thought somebody of our own met with an accident. Luckily it's not. Fuck, man. Did you all see how it happened? How did it happen?
that one got hit, and this one, the second one hit that first one.
Okay.
Sitting completely.
Okay. So they were in a straight row, is it? In a straight line?
Yeah. Actually,
Shit.
that Mahindra is there, a Bolero.
Hmm.
That got hit, and the second one hit it.
Okay.
Frankly speaking, that Bolero has mistake.
Okay.
ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Nothing happened, right? We'll go. Not yet.
Shit, the complete front part is gone.
Bolero ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ
So apparently what happened was the Bolero guy who was in the front, maybe he lost control and his car got skid, and the car right behind him must have applied sudden brake, so the car right behind this car would have gone and rammed from the back. So it's an untoward incident, but luckily nobody was hurt. Hopefully they sort out the dispute. So now we have reached Shivamogga. As soon as we reached, it started raining. So we are finding a place to eat for lunch. So we stopped because the rain got heavier, and as soon as we stopped, even the rain also stopped along with us. We are done with lunch. Next stop will be directly Jog Falls. So we are hoping to reach before 5, or else there's no point of us going when it is dark. Jog Falls is 56 kilometers more to go. We are 20 kilometers away from Jog Falls and it started raining, so we quickly stopped to get into our rain gears.
The rain just got heavier. Even though if the sun is there, it's raining. Wow. It's right there.
Whoa.
the first time of today. Today. To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need. Oh, gonna give it a shot. Only one of me to shield you all from the.
Whoa, finally made it.
From the enemy. You're a superhero. You're a superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero. 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 Can I be your superhero? Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I'm not sure if the GoPro is able to capture the reflectors. It just seems like somebody is aligned candles on either side of the road and in the middle of the road. It looks really beautiful. And the only light source that we have right now is only our bike headlights because it is pitch dark. We are heading towards Gokarna. We would be staying in Gokarna for a couple of days. So tomorrow is a complete rest day. We wouldn't be doing any rides tomorrow. It has been an amazing ride so far, and I'm sure it is going to get better the next couple of days. So please stay tuned, guys. I will be ending the video right now. So since this is a 4-day trip, I don't want to keep the video very long, right? So I would be releasing these videos in sequence, in parts. So I will be ending the first part right now. Thank you guys for watching. If you all enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also follow me on my Instagram. I will leave the Instagram handle ID in the description. So please do go follow me there as well. Alright then guys, take care, and see you all soon in the next part of the vlog. Finally we have reached Gokarna. We are right in front of the beach. Wow.